So they're doing a controlled burn over there. You can see I did a video on that just a little while ago, but I thought I'd show you the difference. This is what it's like before the controlled burn. They're probably not going to do this area because they have a lot of these sapling trees here that are going to turn into these guys. Probably into those guys right there. And you can see this one's getting tall. But there's some small ones like this. Truly thinks they look like they're out of Dr. Seuss or something.
They do.
Look at that. She's getting her flower on. She's having her flower. She's getting her flower on. Sweet. So this is what it looks like before the controlled burn, with the baby trees and all that
and
stuff.
A bowl with flowers before
And
controlled burn.
nice. And this is after the controlled burn. You can see how the forest floor just comes back to life. People think wildfires are a bad thing. They're actually really good for preserving the forest. And if they did this in California, they wouldn't have those out of control wildfires like they do that burn down entire mountains and communities and people's homes. If they just cleaned up the forest floor like they should, it'd be healthier for the actual environment. It'd be healthier for the forest itself because it brings out all kinds of minerals and new plant life. In fact, a lot of times there's plant life under there that won't even spring until it gets burned. I think pine cones are one of those things. Once a pine cone burns, certain pine cones, they actually seed, and then you'll have a new tree start. So, pretty cool. And on the other side of the road over there, once again, it's not been burned yet. I don't know why they haven't done that side. It looks like they did it a while back, but it's regrowing back. But this must be like a logging area possibly, and that they're kind of trying to control it. And then once in a while you'll find the wood nymph running around through the forest.
Oh, it smells so good.
It does. It smells like ash.
Well, no, I
No,
kind
I'm
of smell
kidding.
that like woodsy barky perfume.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Bark.
It does. We got a kind of a heavy breeze going on here. So, all right, guys, if you like our videos, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.